of those 3 companies that you started in the pandemic have one single employee. It not stop this up. You open an account with $0 down, and few days later, $143,000 US was transferred from SSL into that account. In 1997, at the age of 25, Andrew HOLNESS entered into representing politics. He was first elected as Member of Parliament, as MP, to represent the constituency of West Central St. Andrew. And in that year, 97, he also get married. So you left school 1999. You go to university and you leave university 1994. You go work for a non-governmental organization for 2 years until 1996, and then you come in politics. It not show nothing, say you work. It not show say you have no legacy for coming to government. You come into government with student loan. You come into government with student loan. So the question what we ask, how can a man that was student loan never work in an entire life except in politics? We now value almost over 300 million US. And that's one of the reasons when the Integrity Commission trying to certify statutory declaration, it can't add up. Because the amount of wealth that he accumulate over the years, they don't know where he get it from. So everything when put on paper is not making any sense to the Integrity Commission. Fraud, 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 fraud all over it. So now them time up in a criminality. And him not have no escape route to get out of it. They turn him over to the feds and tax administration of Jamaica to prosecute him and to bring the charges. Him take the IC into court. Him take the IC into court. The same man who stated that the government does not intervene or interfere. Leave the anti-corruption and police agency to do their job. When they do the job, Jamaica, and find the Prime Minister in a criminality, the Prime Minister take the justice to the court. The Prime Minister take the government to the court to throw out the illicit richment. But after 3 years, cannot certified. Jamaica. Think about that, Jamaica. Think about that. Make it soaky in Jamaica. Make it soaky. In the pandemic, you start 3 business. Move around 460 million US. None of those 3 companies that you started in the pandemic have one single employee. It not stop this up. You open an account with $0 down, and few days later, $143,000 US was transferred from SSL into that account. And Althea Jarrett sit on that stool and grant you permission to challenge the Integrity Commission, who wall you in the heights of corruption, the heights of criminality, the heights of dishonesty.